Hi everyone. Today I want to share my top 5 favorite mid-morning snacks. So let's see. Number 1 is sprouted dals. Very filling, high in fiber and high in protein. Number 2 is fruits with nuts. Very good option. Number 3 is very easy to go. That is coconut water. And number 4 is very unique, that is steamed beetroot and steamed avla. Very good source of iron. And number 5 is coconut. It is not so expensive but superfood for balancing your hormones. So what are you waiting for? Why don't you add these 5 options into your daily mid-morning snacking? Bye-bye.